If it's a Christmas wreath, it's been up for a long time. Okay, go.
All right.
Hey, y'all. What's going on? Welcome back to another episode. This episode here is my early Christmas gift from my baby, my honey, my husband. Y'all, I have a Instant Pot. It's an Instant Pot, multi-cooker, and air fryer. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I haven't had one. Come around on this side, back. And I've never had one, but I've heard a lot about them. So I'm just ready to try it. I'm so excited. I told my husband he changed the game on this one for me and cooking. Because y'all know Instant Pots, they are pressure cookers and it's an air fryer. But the pressure cooker, I've always been afraid of pressure cooking. My mom, she's been cooking with a pressure cooker for a long time, since I was little, as long as I can remember. And I've always been, excuse the knife, I'm gonna unbox this. She's been using it for a long time. And I know one time she was telling me to go to the stove and turn it off, and she wanted me to do something, and I was like, nah, mama, I'm not gonna do that. I'm afraid of it, because all I saw was and steam coming up and all that, and I was like, nah, it's about to blow. I don't want to mess with it. But I'm gonna overcome that fear. I know you have to let the pressure off. Anyway, let's get to unboxing this real quick. That's just a story I had, because I have never cooked with a pressure cooker before, but we got to change that.
So, when was the first time you heard about the air fryer?
Ooh, when they first came out, I heard about air fryers. I know my sister has one.
Was it one of those infomercials?
Yeah. And then I know some people started getting them, and they were talking about how good they were, and I've always wanted that. Like I said, along with with the pressure cooker too. So I have the best of both worlds in one. So that's awesome. Okay, so let's see what this is. It says Discover Amazing. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's just, I don't know. We're gonna see what this is real quick. And y'all, excuse my fingernails. You know, it's that time to get them done again, but it's gonna be all right. Oh, okay. So I guess this is something that I can cook in this pressure cooker. Banana bread. Okay. Came with a recipe. Came with a couple of recipes in here. No, it just came with that recipe. Okay. But that's cool. So they let me know I can bake some stuff in here too, of course. Like I said, I've never had one before. So it comes with a Get Started. It's an Instant Pot Duo Crisp 9-in-1. So you can do 9 things in one pot. So it comes with all the instructions on it and everything here. So I will be reading this, since I don't know what I'm doing yet. But we're going to learn, because I'm actually going to cook on it today, once I get it cleaned up and everything.
What does it feel like?
This is like a hard
plastic,
yeah. Always place air fryer lid on protection pad. Okay, so this is a protection pad. That's what this is.
Okay. A base.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay. I'm going to get all this washed up, so I'm not going to place it back in here. Okay, so this right here is the, like a little, what do you call this thing?
Keeps it like a pot off of the bottom, right? Like a grate.
Or you can set stuff on to cook it. Let me see.
That's what I'm talking about.
What did you say it was?
Like a grate, like for a stove, to keep you out from directly sitting stuff on top of the heat.
I thought this was something that goes inside where you can place stuff on to cook. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is my first time. I don't know nothing about this, okay? So We learning, and we're gonna learn it. Okay, so it's the basket. It's the base. It's a air fryer basket base is what it says right here. So that's what this is. Okay, so we're gonna place that over here too. Now I'm gonna keep this out so I can know all the parts and what I'm looking at. Take this thing out. All right, we're gonna get down to the nitty gritty. What do I want to take out first? I don't know. And it's heavy, and this is a 8-quart. I know they come in 6. Whew. And that's heavy, but this is an 8. Did I get everything out?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So here we go. So we're gonna take. Okay, y'all ready to see this? Turn it around this way some. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, I like it. Okay, we're gonna turn it around that way. That's where it needs to be. And this thing is heavy, y'all. Yeah.
It sounds like it's well put together.
Yeah, y'all hear that? Making the floor kind of vibrate. And my table. But it is very, very, very sturdy. And it has like the buttons here. It has the temp here, up and down, the time. It has the pressure cook, saute, slow cook, steam, rice. And I guess this here is the air fry section. Roast, bake, broil. You have oatmeal. You got your delay start, cancel start, and keep warm. Yeah. And I'm guessing back here too, like I said, with the pressure cookers, y'all know I'm scared of those. But I guess this is the release valve button here for the venting, the ventilating, sealing. Yeah, we're gonna learn about that. And this right here, let's see what this is. Oh, I guess this is the lid for the air fry part. Here we go. Okay. So this is the lid here. Let's see what this is. Okay, yeah, this is the air fry lid. That's what that is. You see that? Now this is heavy too.
Leftover French fries, here I come.
So that's the air fry lid. So you got your cooker base, your air fry lid. You have your basket here. You got the back part. Let's see how you open this thing. Okay, so to open it, this is to close it. I guess to lock it. This is to open it. Y'all, this is so heavy and good. Oh, y'all just don't know. I'm so excited about this. And like I said, it's an early Christmas present. So, I was with him when we got it. And he was like, I want to surprise you with it. And then he was like, do you want to know what it is? Because I need to go on and get it. Because it was on sale. Because these things are not cheap. You know, so it's a good little chunk of change. And I was like, yeah, go ahead. Because, you know, I don't mind knowing what I'm going to get. And when he got it, and he showed me what it was, I was like, oh, heck yeah. That's exactly what I want. So this right here is the basket, I guess, when you fry something. I don't know. We're going to figure it out, though. But it's another little basket. And like I said, everything feels very sturdy. It's heavy.
And she's not being sponsored.
Nope.
We're just sharing.
Not yet.
And I know y'all heard me say that about the French fries because I'm one of those that gotta have my food hot. My wife will tell you I'll cry if she come 10 minutes too long back with some food, and I won't want to eat cold fries. But hey, look at me in there.
Oh, you can see yourself.
Uh-huh.
Well, this is another pot. I guess you set it in here. And it has like 2/3 and a half here, measurements. But look inside here too. You can see that. And I guess that will sit inside there. And I guess if you want to put something, that can go in there. I don't know. We're going to read the directions and everything. But like the air fryer lid. Let's see how that would go on there. I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, it goes in these little slots here. Yeah, that's what we're gonna
Like
do.
putting on your trash can lid almost.
Yeah.
Just a twist and turn.
Mm-hmm. But
now, crispy fries.
yeah.
If they've been left overnight, you can do that.
Me
Fish
too.
sticks, the way they're supposed to be. Crunchy.
And not soggy.
Nuggets, the way they're supposed to be.
Hot wings, because you don't like hot wings.
Oh no, not the
But
not the greasy, fatty kind. I need it to be crispy and you know how it is.
Yeah. But yeah, you guys, I am super excited about this. Y'all have no idea. I know y'all probably like, girl, why are you so excited over this? You have no idea. Cause I cook. So this could be, I'm a cooker. So of course this is going to excite me.
Hey, this will give y'all some food she'll have coming up soon. I'm sure once she get going, she'll be making stuff on here. I
sure will. All the time. Starting today.
All right, y'all. Well, that might be an episode. Her first air fryer meal.
Yeah. I'm gonna do some wings. So yeah, we're gonna give it a try here shortly once I get it all cleaned up and everything. But there you have it. Instapot and air fryer. So yeah, stay tuned, you guys.
All right.